I think it is going to bring a lot of insecurity because it is going to set off an arms race. There's no need for countries in the Asia-Pacific region to be overly concerned about China. So China is a good scapegoat to mobilize the people in the region. We know that with the submarines, then there's going to be another, deal that needs more arms pouring into the region, ostensibly to guard against themselves, against China. Now, the kind of betrayal that France has been dealt by the US, by UK, by Australia, they may try to cover it up, but it is really fundamental to the global kind of cooperation between regions, between countries. There's going definitely to be a geopolitical shift. Countries now will start looking at the tripartite, of betrayal and try to see who else can we partner with. So I see it becoming also a boon for countries that have been neutral, powerful countries like China, who people are going to look up to give some sense of direction to where the world should be in the 21st century, rather than taking us back to the 20th century that was riddled with world wars and nuclear threats, and we all know what happened in Nagasaki, Hiroshima. So it's going to be bring a lot of tension, a lot of insecurity, which is unfortunate at this time when the world needs to work together.